Okay, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the natural botanical restoration hair replenser. And I'm going to break this up, open this up in front of you. Excuse me. Okay, so this is Green Touch Beauty, and this is hair growth. And this is a scalp stimulator fighting hair loss, promotes hair growth, and 100% botanical. So let's try this. Okay, if you know, I had like a little bit of hair loss after my stroke in the front, I guess. I don't know, from worrying. They called it from worrying. I don't know what it was from actually. But it's coming back. But, you know, I got that off really good, didn't I? So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Okay, so this is how this works. Let's see what it looks like. First of all, before I do this, let's see if I can read this. This is, okay, let's read the front. The hair growth, cayenne and salt pimento, scalp stimulating oil, fights hair loss, promotes hair growth, and 100% botanical. And then it has Perel seed oil. I don't know what Perel is. I know all the other ones. Argan oil, rosehip oil, salt pimento oil, chili seed oil. So that means that you got to keep this out of your eyes. Peppermint essential oil, vitamin E, lemon eucalyptus essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, B5, and then it has casa essential oil, cassia essential oil, sorry, clove leaf essential oil, calendula, wax, cayenne pepper, extract, vitamin A, and let's see, and benzoid essential oil. So before using the product, you see if you're allergic to it. I'm not allergic to any of those things, so I'm not worried about that. Okay, so directions, okay? Should be used before shampooing. Shake well. But see, I just shampooed my hair the day before yesterday, so I'm going to shake well. Gonna do a little dance. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. My granddaughter says shake. I only act silly when I'm like, no, I don't. I'm not blaming it on her. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Okay, so let me take my glasses off for this. You don't want to get this in your eyes. Trust me. It's got chili and a cayenne and a whole 9 yards. And to be perfectly honest with you, so I got this to review. I'm always looking for new oils and different things to try to review and find out. I'm gonna put some in my hand actually. I'm gonna put some in the back. Try to see what's out there. That's the nicety about reviewing certain things, because you can see what's out there. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it. But I like, and even though you know how to mix things, it's always good to get somebody else's perspective on. See where all the new growth is coming in now. Actually, okay. to put some on the balls of my hair as well. So I'm going to twist all these, but I'll do that at another time. But it smells good. You know what's going to be good? When we get smell-o-vision. You know, when you can smell things on the television and on the internet, that's coming next. It'll be in a theater near you. Anyway, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up. I'm liking this. I'm going to be using this for something I don't have to mix. Honest to goodness. I mean, and it smells. Do you smell it? I'm giving it to my granddaughter to smell. Like
Yeah,
it?
I like it.
Okay. Well, goodbye, everybody. Take care. God bless. Mwah. I love you. Bye-bye.